The more desperate you are from within, the more you give them permission to treat you wrong. When you say, I'm not able to move past, I'm gonna say, you know what? When we start to tell or command our brain that I'm not able to, then we get stuck there, my sweetheart. What if you had to imagine your life like a train? And imagine every station, some people get off and some people get on, and that's the best for us. What if you had to realize that, you know what, anytime we start to keep people longer than their shelf life, they actually start to create messy situations in our life. So sometimes understanding that God gave us family because He wants us to travel all the way with them. God gave us friends because He wants us to travel a few boxes or a few stations with them. And God gives us some people that we choose as friends who turn family. Some people God has given to us in advance, which is our parents or siblings that we can never change. There are some people we can change. And when you start to make sense of all of this, you'll start to realize that some of us are holding on too strong to the good memories with someone where we are not willing to let go of that person any longer because we want to relive that. The truth is, they have grown to become who they have grown to become. You have grown to become who you have grown to become. And not every time we will grow to converge into becoming closer, stronger, better. Sometimes we can grow to become separate. And what you were with them at one point, today you may not be with them in that same place, right? So the more you try harder to go back into the past and relive a space where, which is no longer working for you, the more we are holding on and throwing tantrums with God. So see if you can start to come up with a better story. Instead of using the word insecurities of losing certain people, see if you can start to go, those who are meant to be in my life will stay, and those who are not meant to be in my life, may God bless them, and when they move on, God replace them with someone better. And you start to not have that deep attachment to people, you will start to notice that your desperation will go down. And as your desperation goes down, automatically this unnecessary reaction that you've been having of holding on so strong, of being so desperate, will go away. And can I tell you something, especially with people, the more desperate you are from within, the more you give them permission to treat you wrong. So be very careful about having someone you love more than what you love yourself. It's very important that on this journey of life, we at some point make up our mind that while I will love everybody, the one person I will love most is myself, because I have to train other people on how to treat me. And a lot of times when we get insecure, naturally we go into a state of loving them more than loving ourselves, and we start to compromise with life. And as we compromise with life, sometimes in hindsight we can feel very regretful of the choices we landed up making, not realizing that we were first in charge of wearing the oxygen mask on ourselves before putting it on someone else, but instead we reversed it, and therefore today we are feeling so parched for love, for importance, for validation, for appreciation, for everything that our soul truly desires, which we get very easily when we surround ourselves with people that are worthy of being surrounded by, and not when people are energy vampires or disguised angels or dream stealers, or call them what you like.